Imagine waking up in the morning. You check your phone. Notifications flood in. Your bank account is empty. Your social media is locked. And your private messages are leaked. All it took was one click. One careless moment. One person who used digital power without principle. In today's digital world, we hold immense power over information, communication, and innovation. But without ethics to guide us, that power can be misused, misunderstood, or weaponized. In this video, we're going to talk about how principles shape our digital choices and protect our shared future. Information technology ethics is the study of right and wrong in the digital age. It guides how we behave online, how we design systems, and how we protect others. In 2024, a scandal rocked the Philippine tech and media sectors. Ark Samaniego, an IT editor of the Manila Bulletin, was accused of participating in unauthorized website hacks, including attacks on government platforms like the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The acts breached the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, involving illegal access and data interference. This incident reminds us that even trusted experts must be guided by principle. Without ethics, digital power becomes a threat, not a tool for progress. The internet gives us freedom, but freedom without responsibility leads to harm. Here are the 10 commandments of computer ethics. A simple rules to guide our online behavior. Number 1. Don't use computers to harm others. Avoid cyberbullying, hacking, or spreading viruses. Number 2. Don't interfere with others' work. Respect others' digital tasks and don't disrupt or sabotage their work. Number 3. Don't snoop in others' files. Accessing private data without permission violates the trust. Number 4. Don't steal using a computer. Theft of money, data, or services is illegal and unethical. Number 5. Don't spread lies online. False information can damage reputations and mislead. Number 6. Don't use pirated software. Using unlicensed software is theft and breaks the copyright laws. Number 7. Don't use others' resources without their permission. Always ask before using someone else's digital tools. Number 8. Don't steal intellectual property. Copying creative work without credit is plagiarism. Number 9. Think about the social impact of your code. Consider how your programs affect users and the society. And lastly, number 10. Always act with respect and consideration. Treat others online with kindness and dignity. Always remember that behind every screen is a human being, and every digital action has a real-world consequences. Not everyone plays by the rules. Hacking is the act of breaking into systems, sometimes for harm or sometimes for good. There are 3 types of hackers. The first one is black hats. The black hats hack for personal gain, like stealing, destroying, and disrupting. The second one is the white hats. The white hats are ethical hackers or defenders who test systems to make them safer. And lastly, the gray hats. The gray hats walk the line, neither fully good nor entirely malicious. In the IT era, we are all digital citizens. We are creators, users, and guardians of a powerful tool. And every decision we make, every post, every code, every click shapes the world we live in.